All right, continuing on with the exhaust downpipe turbo build. I got the bung sooner than expected, so I'm gonna go ahead and drill a hole, put the bung in place, tack that also, and tack everything else up. Also, the elbow I needed for the dump tube came in today also, but I have to bolt it up to the car, measure, mark, then cut, and I'll tack that one up later on. All right, so let's get to drilling and tacking. I hope this is going to be the right spot. Oh, there we have it. Didn't take me long. Nothing pretty to look at, but it's not going anywhere. Just got to clean it up so you can get a good seam around it. Same thing here. Like, ugh. Look like leper spots. Never seen them before, but I'm guessing. And they are ugly. I'm not gonna lie. But hey, it's together in one piece. Alright, so got home, doing the downpipe, mocked up the dump tube where I need to cut it tomorrow, and tack weld that also. So flip it all around. So right here is where the elbow is gonna pretty much make a come down, hit a 90, and go straight down behind the tire. Well, behind the what do you call it? The frame. As you can see, let me turn this light off. I am touching the AC line from the exhaust. Now, I'm gonna get you guys out of the car real quick and show you what's going on. But for right now, everything is fine up top. Coming down, bought this today. 2.5 to 3 inch OD adapter. This is going to be welded to the 2.5 coming down, and I already got it marked. So it's pretty much gonna come down from the downpipe, and this lines up there. And then we go flange from there. All right, so that is the progress right now. So this is gonna get welded tomorrow. The dump tube is gonna get cut and welded tomorrow. I'm gonna leave this here because I might need it. All right, so as you can see, there's a lot of room between, well, not a lot. Looks like it's touching the treading. Oh boy, that's not good. That's not good. So let me go back up top, take it off, and try again. All right, day 2, tack welding. Trying to make as much progress. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and tack weld these together best of my ability and see how much Bobby can clean them up for me. Not the prettiest, but hey, stainless steel. Burned the hole in that one. Almost that one. These welds, you know, they are what they are. Never said I was a welder. Okay, just trying to tack them up so somebody else can actually weld it for me. And for doing pie cuts for the first time, hey, they're tacked together. So test it, and we can carry on. Go ahead and end this one here. Next video should start out with me doing the test fits and finish out with probably welding them. And we actually going with the rest of the exhaust. So probably a 4-part series doing the exhaust. But hey, as always, thank y'all for watching. Please share the videos, please, 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 and comment, like if you haven't already. Subscribe. There's a lot of fun footage coming. A lot. Alright, so thank y'all. Catch y'all next video.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I'll pop off.